I'm going to use 3 green tomatoes chopped, sesame oil, tamarind paste, mustard seeds, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, and asafoetida. Heat the sesame oil in a large pot. Add the mustard seeds to the hot oil and allow them to pop. Carefully slide in the chopped green tomatoes and watch out because they will splatter. Stir well to coat the tomatoes in the sesame oil and mustard seeds. Stir and cook this mixture until the tomatoes release their water. Now sprinkle the turmeric powder and once again stir it well. Now add the salt and mix it really well. The salt acts to release even more water from the tomatoes. It's important to release as much water from the tomatoes as possible, as this will help to preserve the pickle for much longer. Once most of the water has evaporated, add the tamarind sauce and mix well. The tamarind sauce gives it a nice, tangy taste. Cook this mixture for another 5 to 10 minutes to incorporate the tamarind sauce into the mixture, and wait until the oil reappears on the surface of the thokku. Once you see the oil appearing along the edges of the pickle, you can add the chili powder. Stir it well to fully integrate the chili powder into the pickle. Do not let it burn. As you can see, the pickle or thokku is now starting to turn a reddish gold color. It's almost ready. This is a good time to do a taste check and see if it is spicy enough for you, or perhaps you need more salt. As per your taste, add more salt or chili powder and stir well. If required, you can also add a little more sesame oil. Keep cooking until the oil is floating on the top. The pickle is done when the thokku is a nice deep red with the flecks of green tomato peeking through the oil. Make sure it's completely cooled before bottling it. You don't want to introduce any moisture into the pickle.